Welcome to the O'Reilly Auto Parts World of Wheels here in Chicago. This event is the end of the season for the indoor car show crowd. And boy, there are some incredible vehicles. Whether it's a hot rod, a street machine, a lowrider, a true one-off custom, a lifted truck, or one of those traditional rods, you'll pretty much find it right here at the Chicago World of Wheels. Hey, let's take a look at some of the great rides featured right here at the World of Wheels.
I love Hondas. Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Hi, I'm Joyce Angela at Tuner Galleria. I'm here with
Anthony.
And tell me about your car.
Well, it's a 2007 Civic Honda SI, 4-door, bagged on CCWs, LM5Ts, wrapped around 205s, 40 on tires, Nankings, stitch panels, full bolt-ons, carbon fiber hood, full lip kit. I mean, I don't know, what more would you like to know?
Well, how long have you had your car?
For about 3 years.
And tell me about your club.
Cool, we're just a big family, a big group of people who like to surround themselves a lot with positive vibes. Everybody's extremely outgoing and we're here to have fun.
That's cool. Is this your first time?
Yeah, this is my first year at Tuner Galleria. It's pretty dope, I like the experience.
That's cool. Alright, so is this your first car?
No, this is actually my second.
Would you let your girlfriend drive it?
No, never. I keep that restriction. It's nothing personal, but I'd rather just keep my car the way it is.
Is it stick shift?
Yes, it's 6 speed.
Okay. How much horsepower?
It is tuned at 225 right now, basic little street tune, nothing serious, but it still gets me moving.
Nice. Did you ever go drifting at the track?
Nothing against drifting, but it's not my style. I'm just more of a show look, nothing personal.
That's cool. This is my type of automobile.
There you go.
Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars.